In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the announcement bar color in Shopify, including adding a gradient effect. This quick tutorial will walk you through each step so that you can customize your store's appearance to better match your brand style. Let's dive right in. First, begin by heading over to the provided URL, which is pastebin.com. This website hosts some crucial code that you'll need. Once you're there, your task is to simply highlight and copy the code that's written. Make sure you have it ready because we're going to paste it into your Shopify store shortly. Now open your Shopify admin dashboard by navigating to the Shopify website and logging into your store. Once you're in, you should see various options on the left hand side. Click on Online Store. This will display the themes associated with your store. Next, look for the three dots which are typically located beside your current theme. Click on those dots and you'll notice a drop down menu appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Edit Code. Editing the code is where the magic happens, allowing you to personalize your announcement bar with new colors or gradients. Once you are in the code editor, focus your attention on the left sidebar. There's a search bar there. Type in base to help you find the right file quickly. You'll see a few results, but what you want to click on is base.css. This file contains the styling rules for your store's layout, including the announcement bar. With the base.css file open, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the code. That's where we'll add our new CSS rules. Carefully paste the code you copied earlier from Pastebin right at the end of this file. This is crucial as it ensures that your new style rules are applied after the default ones, effectively giving them priority. After pasting, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the editor, and click on it to ensure your new announcement bar style is recorded. If you miss this step, your changes won't take effect and you'll have to start over. Finally, after saving, click on Exit to leave the code editor. Now you're ready to see the fruits of your labor. Click on View Your Store to open your online store in a new tab and check out how your announcement bar looks with the newly applied color or gradient. And there you have it, a fully customized announcement bar in Shopify. This change not only enhances your store's aesthetic appeal, but can also help draw attention to important messages for your customers. Thank you for tuning in and happy customizing.